How to get your Google search bar back on your Android home screen. Now, if you have lost your Google search bar from home screen of your Android device, in order to get that back, just simply go to the home screen of your phone and then hold it for a while after tapping it. Then you will get this page where you see this option of widgets. Tap to widgets option and then this page will appear. Now just simply scroll down until you see the option of Google in this page. Tap to Google option and then it will give you a lot of widgets to add to your home screen. You just simply need to find out this quick search by text option. Just simply select it for a while and then it will show something like this. Now you can drop this search bar anywhere in your home screen. Just simply add it and you can also adjust the size of it in your home screen and move it around. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.